Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix brightness controller not working on Windows 11. So first you need to do some quick checks. First you need to restart your PC, and if it is not working you can try to check with the function keys. Press function key plus brightness up down key if there is a brightness icon on your keyboard. Usually it is on F1, F2 or F11 or F12. For if you are using desktop monitors, use physical buttons to increase or decrease the brightness on your monitor. So if it is not working, you can go with the further methods. So next method is you can update display drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager option. You need to expand display adapters like this. Right click on your adapter, select the update driver option and select the search automatically for drivers. If it says already installed, you can close this one and again right click on it and update driver and select the second option. Select this one and select the already existing driver and tap on next. This will reinstall the already existing driver on your computer. It will fix the existing driver issues. So if that also not working, right click on it, uninstall device, tick this one, uninstall option and restart your computer. This will completely uninstall your display driver, and when you restart your computer it will be automatically freshly installed. If that also not working, you can install or update your graphic control panel. So if you are using Intel driver, you can go to your browser and select go to your Google, then after type Intel driver and support assistant, select the first option. It is right here. So you can download the Intel driver and support assistant on your computer, and once you download that one, you can follow the step-by-step guide from that software. It will install latest driver for your graphic driver and other Intel related softwares. And if you are using NVIDIA, you can you can select type NVIDIA driver update, go to the first option, download the official NVIDIA drivers. So then you can come to here, you can select the category. It is NVIDIA, Titan kind of thing, GeForce, and you can select other options as well. So once you done that one, you can find it and then you can download that software related with your GPU. And the next method is you need to check your power setting. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting option. Then after in the left side menu, select the system, and right side menu, go to power and battery option. Click on the screen and sleep option. Scroll down. Sometimes you can see brightness sliders in here, but in the latest version it is not appeared here, but it's okay. So also you can see there is a battery save option. Select that one. You can turn off that one to check is that brightness control panel will be appear or not. If that also not working, you can fix the generic monitor driver. To do that, right click on the start menu again, go to device manager option, expand the monitor section. It is right here, double tap on it. You can see there is a 2 monitor in my case. Right click on it, update, go to update driver, select the browse my computer for drivers and select the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Again select your driver and tap on next. Then after it will be automatically installed, and once it is installed you need to restart your computer. And next method is you need to do the Windows troubleshoot. To do that, go to start menu, then go to setting, left side menu, select the system, right side menu, scroll down, go to troubleshoot option, go to other troubleshooters, find the power option here. Yes, it is right here. Tap on run option, find is there any issues related with the power. In my case there is no issue, troubleshoot was complete. If it shows any kind of error, you need to fix that one. And again you need to do that same thing for the display also. You can scroll down or scroll up. Yeah, in my case it is not appeared, but some kind of computers it will be appear display option also there. Then you need to run the troubleshoot for the display also. And the next method is you need to do the advanced registry fix to fix that one. So first you need to press Windows key and R on your keyboard, then type registry REGEDIT to enter the registry editor. Tap on OK, tap on yes. Then you need to expand HK local machine Then after double tap on system and control set 001 and control, and again go to the class. In here you need to find exact this number 4036E968 and rest of the things. I'm going to find that one. Yes, I found it. It is right here. You need to select that one, double tap on it. Once you expand that one, you can see these kind of folders there. So you need to find 0000 or 0001 kind of folders. Then you need to right click on it, rename FFFF like this. Then after you can close this one and restart your computer. And the next method is you need to disable adaptive brightness option. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, select the system. In the right side menu you need to go to display. Yeah, it's the first option. Go that one. Scroll down a little bit. Some of the latest computers has changed brightness automatically when lighting changes option. If it is there, you need to turn it off. In my case there is no that kind of option, so you need to turn it off. And also you need to go to search bar again, type control panel, go there. In this menu you need to go to the power option. So in my case you need to check the view by as a large icons. So then after you can find the power option there, and you need to select the tap on the current change plan setting and select the change advanced power setting option. Scroll down, double tap on display option. Then after, some latest computer has enable adaptive brightness option. In my case there is only one option. If you see enable adaptive brightness kind of option, you need to set it as off. So in my case there is no that kind of option, so I'm going to cancel this one. So these are the methods you can try to fix your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.